National Trades Union Congress Secretary General Chee Meng says its social mission will not change. He pledges to hold income insurance to its commitment of keeping two of its low-cost insurance schemes affordable.
Income has assured NTUC that it will keep premiums affordable for these policyholders, especially those in the lower income segments. NTUC will ensure that Income upholds this commitment. We will continue our work with compassion and dedication so that all our workers can have better lives and livelihoods. That is NTUC's unwavering pledge.
NTUC says income insurance market share has declined in the past 10 years, and German insurer Allianz's offer would help secure additional capital. It adds that NTUC Enterprise will retain a substantial stake in Income, and Allianz will commit to honoring Income's existing insurance programs and charity commitments. NTUC Enterprise and Income Insurance have also debunked assertions that they did not stay true to its corporatization commitments. They say former NTUC Income CEO Tan Swee Chie had cast aspersions on stakeholders that were unfair and not well-founded. Mr. Tan had criticized aspects of a deal by Germany's Allianz to acquire Income Insurance, formerly known as NTUC Income, for around $1.6 billion. Now, among several points he raised, Mr. Tan alleged that the corporatization of NTUC Income in 2022 meant that shares were bought below market value. Income says as part of the exercise then, all members' cooperative shares were converted to Income Insurance shares. Thus, minority shareholders held equity shares and their voting rights increased to 26.2% from 0.3%. In 2022, NTUC Enterprise affirmed its commitment to act in the interests of Income, which it said must remain paramount. Income says that with a competitive insurance market and increased life expectancy, Allianz's offer would strengthen its financial sustainability, enabling it to continue its social mission. And should minority shareholders accept Allianz's offer of $40.58 per share, they would be given priority to tender their shares. It adds that if the transaction proceeds, they would get between 3.3 and 28 times their original investment. Community, Culture and Youth Minister Edwin Tong also notes that questions have surfaced recently about the corporatization of Income in 2022. In a Facebook post, he wrote that this matter was flagged to the Registry of Cooperative Societies, or RCS, which comes under his ministry. RCS then advised all parties that this was an issue between NTUC Income and its members. Mr. Tong notes that from a regulatory perspective, RCS is satisfied that due process was followed in that corporatization exercise. 8 parliamentary questions have been raised about the proposed deal between Income and Allianz, including on providing affordable insurance products for Singaporeans, and these will be answered when Parliament sits this week.